Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of radishes. Here are some health benefits associated with consuming radishes as part of a balanced diet. Nutrient rich. Radishes are low in calories but high in essential nutrients such as vitamin C, potassium, folate, and fiber. They also contain small amounts of vitamins B6, magnesium, and calcium. Number 2, digestive health. Radishes are known for their high fiber content, which can promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Number 3, hydration. Radishes have a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated and contribute to overall health hydration levels. Antioxidant properties. Radishes contain antioxidants such as vitamin C, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 5, potential cancer-fighting properties. Compounds found in radishes have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties, particularly in relation to certain types of cancer like colon cancer. Number 6, weight management. Radishes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a good addition to a weight loss or weight management plan. They can help you feel full and satisfied without adding excessive calories. Number 7, heart health. Radishes are a good source of potassium, which is beneficial for heart health, and potassium helps regulate blood pressure and can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It's important to note that individual experiences may vary if you have specific health concerns or conditions. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist for personalized advice. Bye!